Do you know what primate actually is? Ace. I have to keep force closing the mobile Twitch version when I'm waiting for man to show up. The video, if I get black screen, it doesn't automatically change if the black screen fixes itself. So I'm continuously doing the hook, delete, end task, start app, end task, shuffle while I'm waiting for man to turn up. Super convenient. It's hot trash, isn't it, really? I bought a new power tool yesterday. Want to see my new power tool? Hang on. Oh, I can't put my feet anywhere. My legs are so broken. To the mod club. Oh, that's the speaker. That's the third time. Tunnel team, yep. So you're not going yet. Oh, the dub stopped. So yeah, I bought an oscillating saw yesterday from well-known German supermarket. And you put the little blade things in. It's got like little teeth and stuff. And you clip it in the thing. Yeah, so you can do like tiny little cuts. You can sort of like knuck that into a thing and cut out little bits. But the weird thing about this, right, is that it's not terrifyingly loud. That's not the main thing about it. The main thing about it is it's USB-C chargeable. It's USB-C. Because that's very normal. Disagree with my first point. My first point? Yeah. But I'm quite pleased with that, actually. I did a little bit of that's not demonically loud. No, it's not. That is at full speed. But it's got like a cutting thing and a sanding thing and a grout removing thing and, you know, a thing for getting Boy Scouts out of horses' hooves and that kind of thing. The battery was included, yeah. And I guess the battery lasts 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Just like, but yeah, I might go back for the 15 minutes. Shit. That's poor though, isn't it? That's poor. I might go back tomorrow for the little angle grinder, and they do a matching angle grinder. The battery suit, yeah. My mainline tools are from Lidl, the Parkside ones. My mainline drills and stuff is Parkside, and I've invested in the Parkside ecosystem. In that I've got a bunch of batteries, and you know, all of my hand power tools I'll buy will be those. But the problem with Lidl is they're involved in Israel because, you know, yeah. Lidl are kind of scummy, but I've already said to Cheryl that I'm not going to buy from Lidl unless I